Managing third-party app access on your iPhone 16 helps you control which applications can run on your device and provides additional parental control options. Here's how to access and manage this iPhone setting. First, swipe up from the bottom of the current display to get to the home screen. From the home screen, tap on the Settings icon. In the Settings app menu, scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Scroll down and then tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. In the succeeding menu, tap on App Store, Media, Web, and Games. Next, navigate to the Allowed Media Services content section and then tap on Apps. Here, you can choose your preferred restriction level, such as don't allow to disable all third-party apps or select specific age restrictions. When Don't Allow is selected, third-party apps will be removed from your device. This means that only built-in Apple apps will remain accessible. When a specific age restriction is selected, only third-party apps that belong to that bracket are enabled or accessible. You can see the result by heading to the Apps Library or iPhone home screen, as the app icons are updated real-time. Disabling or enabling third-party apps on your iPhone controls their access to your device's features, data, and functionality. This can help improve privacy, security, and overall performance of your device. And that's it. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.